In this video, we are going to see about sample versus population in statistics. A population is the entire group that you want to draw conclusions about. A sample is the specific group that you will collect data from. The size of the sample is always less than the total size of the population. In research, a population doesn't always refer to people. It can mean a group containing elements of anything you want to study, such as objects, events, organizations, countries, species, organisms, etc. Collecting data from a population. Populations are used when your research question requires, or when you have access to, data from every member of the population. Usually, it is only straightforward to collect data from a whole population when it is small, accessible, and cooperative. Example of collecting data from a population. A high school administrator wants to analyze the final exam scores of all graduating seniors to see if there is a trend. Since they are only interested in applying their findings to the graduating seniors, in this high school they use the whole population dataset. For larger and more dispersed populations, it is often difficult or impossible to collect data from every individual. For example, every 10 years, the federal U.S. government aims to count every person living in the country using the U.S. Census. This data is used to distribute funding across the nation. However, historically, marginalized and low-income groups have been difficult to contact, locate, and encourage participation from. Because of non-responses, the population count is incomplete and biased towards some groups, which results in disproportionate funding across the country. In cases like this, sampling can be used to make more precise inferences about the population. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment down below. I will respond as per my best. Signing out.